Hey everybody, welcome back. I decided to take a secondary video from this angle. I've never taken one since they completed the tower or the turret with the air handler room above, but you can see there's all three stories of where that round room is with the 150 plus studs just for the exterior part of the curve on each floor. So just a bit of an angle that maybe you haven't seen before in this video for those that are curious. And just because I'm out here, I'll take the walk around. And now we're walking around to the south side of the house, which is my favorite view. Kind of what it was designed for, actually. There you go. Again, it's not a lot different looking from the outside, but what I'm pleased to see is there's a fair bit of sheathing up there. There's a bit more to do, I can tell, and I'm not sure if they put the sheathing on for the deck yet. But we shall see. I see some snow up there, but I don't know if those are loose sheathing panels or that was actually sheathed with the finished product. So anyway, when it warms up a little bit, we'll be out here again filming and doing another hopefully better video. Again, thanks for watching, everyone.